Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create folders for your saved posts on Instagram. And to do that, you're just going to go to your profile and choose these like three lines over here. Go to saved, and here's where you can create a folder. As you can see over here, there's this plus button, and you can add from your saved. For instance, something like dresses. It's completely up to you, of course. Then next, and I'm just going to create the name for the sort of folder. And then I can also change the cover over here. For instance, I want this one, and then I'm just going to press add. Or you can also go to all posts, or like here, for instance, and you see a dress and you want to save it to your folder. Let's just find one. For instance, this one, you're just going to sort of press really long on the sort of saved icon over here until this shows up, and you're just going to press the folder you want to save it in. Or you can also create a new folder from there. You just press on it and press the plus button and add a new collection and name it there. But yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!